Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing our Christmas trip to North Carolina, USA. We flew from Buffalo to Raleigh. On Christmas Eve, we had an authentic Mexican dinner at our Mexican friend's house, and it was truly mind-blowing. Let's get into the journey now. We drove from Canada and booked a park, sleep and fly hotel in Buffalo, USA. We had dinner at Nelly's Banana restaurant near our hotel. Early the next morning, we flew from Buffalo to Raleigh, Durham. The weather there was fantastic. We had a quiet afternoon with Choco, our sweet little boy. In the evening, we visited our Mexican friends. They were incredibly kind and their home was beautifully decorated for Christmas. They prepared a whole spread of authentic Mexican food like pozole, Tostadas de Tinga, Tamales, Ponche Navideño, it's a Mexican Christmas punch, Obleas, and for dessert we had homemade chocolate flan and cheesecake. We were so excited. It was our first time meeting them, but they were very warm and friendly. First, we had soup. Pozole Blanco is a clear broth with shredded chicken and a large white corn kernels. It has a light flavor and it is not spicy unless you add toppings. Next, we had Tostadas de Tinga, tostadas with a crispy flat tortilla topped with chicken tinga, shredded lettuce, chopped onion, radish, avocado, sour cream, or you can use mayo, and finally cheese. Ponche Navideño, or Mexican Christmas punch, is a warm drink made with fruits and sugarcane. It is sweet, fruity, warm, and super comforting. Tamales are traditional Mexican dumplings made from masa, a dough made from corn. The dough is spread on a corn husk and filled with ingredients like meat or cheese, then wrapped and steamed. The texture is similar to our South Indian kolkatai. Mine was filled with shredded chicken and it was really flavorful and delicious. In between, we had Obleas, thin paper-like wafers that are circular and come in many colors. They are very light and only slightly sweet, almost like edible paper. Sometimes they are eaten plain or with caramel. We also have similar wafers in India, so it felt nostalgic. Finally, we had homemade choco flan and cheesecake. Both were extremely delicious and perfectly sweetened.
This is cheesecake.
This is cheesecake.
Cheesecake? Yeah, cheesecake. This is just flan, and this is the cake. But together it's chocolate.
Even after eating so much, we were still craving more because the taste was just amazing. She loves baking, and it really showed in the flavors. The chocolate flan was on a different level, and even though I'm not a big fan of cheesecake, this one was extraordinary. The way she sliced and served it was filled with so much love. I am very grateful to have experienced such yummy Mexican food in my life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one.